This lesson will focus on solving a linear function from National 5. When solving in maths, we are looking to find a value for the unknown variable. In most cases, we will be solving for x. Example 1. A function is given by f of x equaling 4x subtract 1. For what value of x is f of x equal to 19?
In example 1, we're told that f of x is equal to 4x subtract 1, and we're asked to find the value of x where f of x is equal to 19. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to write f of x directly underneath f of x in the function, and that is equal to 19. So we are told that f of x is equal to 19, so wherever we see f of x, I can substitute the 19 into its place. So therefore, 19 is equal to 4x subtract 1. And at this stage, we simply just have a linear equation. So if we wish, we can turn it round. 4x subtract 1 equals 19. Letters go left, numbers go right. I have 4x is now equal to 19, add the 1, which is 20. X will be 20 divided by the 4, which gives me a value of 5.
Example 2. A function is given by f of x equaling 9 subtract 3x. For what value of x is f of x equal to 15?
In example 2, we've got the function f of x is equal to 9 subtract 3x, and we're looking for the value of x when f of x is equal to 15. So I'm going to substitute the number 15 in place of f of x. Therefore, 15 is equal to 9 subtract 3x. From there, I'm looking to solve for the unknown variable. You can turn it around if you so wish, or you can treat it just as it's written down here. Let's go letters left, numbers right. I'll take my negative 3x over, which gives me positive 3x. And then that will be 9, and the 15 comes over to become negative. 3x will be equal to negative 6. X is equal to negative 6 divided by 3, which is negative 2.
Example 3. Given the functions f of x equaling 5x subtract 3 and g of x equaling 3x add 9, if f of x equals g of x, solve for x.
In example 3, we're told that function f of x is equal to function g of x. So we have f of x is equal to g of x. Function f is 5x subtract 3. Function g is 3x add 9. So we know that these two functions are equal to one another. Therefore, 5x subtract 3 is equal to 3x subtract 9. Remember, 5x take away 3 is simply f of x. 3x add 9 is simply g of x. Here, we've now created an equation, so we can solve that as normal. Letters go left, numbers go right. I'm then going to have 5x subtract 3x, which is equal to 9 add 3. That leaves me with 2x is equal to 12. Therefore, x must equal 6.